Do you know that it's possible to make money on YouTube without ever spending hours in front of camera with countless taking, recording videos, editing, buying an expensive camera and audio equipment, even when you are not good with technology? If you want to make money with YouTube without making videos but don't know where to start, don't worry. I will reveal the secret to you. Most people think that making money on YouTube without showing your face or recording videos has to be a long and complicated process. It is not as complicated as you think. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is an online business where you create a YouTube channel, automate the process, upload video, and collect ad revenue from the video. YouTube automation in general is one of the best ways to build an online business. There are so many channels on YouTube doing YouTube automation with this formula that I'm teaching, and they are flourishing. Many people get stuck doing YouTube automation because they chose the wrong niche. Do not choose the wrong niche. There are few best niches you can choose from that will make you money online. Today, I will take you on a crypto niche, and I will show you 2 ways to make money on YouTube using this particular strategy. On Make Money Online Facts channel, I help people build an online business with faceless YouTube automation. If you are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button. With YouTube automation, you can make $17,000 a month. This niche has a high CPM, cost per 1,000 views. This is how much advertisers are willing and ready to spend to put adverts on your video. If you teach about finance, business, money, the CPM is higher because you will attract a high quality advertisers. If you go to a platform like Social Braid, which estimates how much channels are making, this will show you that most channels are making a lot of money. Today, we'll be focusing on cryptocurrency. You'll be making a lot of money without showing your face and without recording any video. This works very well. You don't need to be an expert in crypto to run a YouTube channel on crypto. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm in recent years. People are involving themselves in this method of investment. Cryptocurrencies are a modern form of online currency that people have adopted. Crypto is such a popular topic, making it on YouTube, and people are interested in it. People are always looking to stay on top of the game, trying to catch up with the trends, with people seeking to know upcoming cryptocurrencies to look out for. The videos are produced to educate and give insights. Therefore, you and your team must have a good understanding of cryptocurrencies to be able to discuss the subject with your audience. In this case, you are either directly involved in cryptocurrency or have a close ally who is into cryptocurrency. You should also know that a larger chunk of accuracy is needed. Check what is currently happening in the crypto world and share the information. Provide solutions to what viewers are unclear about. Most importantly, check out how other YouTubers in that niche are operating theirs and leverage it. This niche has an extremely high CPM that allow you to make a lot of money even when you don't have many views. I'm actually going to show you 2 different ways that you can make money using this particular strategy. First of all, I want to show you something. This channel right over here that you are watching, Crypto has a really high CPM, which is cost per mil or cost per 1,000 views. This is how much advertisers are willing to spend to put ads on your video. So on this type of video, if you go to a platform like Social Blade, which shows how many views you are getting and how much you are making, they will estimate that this channel is making up to $4,000 a month. So as you can see, the highest money they will be making is $4,000 a month according to them. But as you can see, if you go back in July, if you go back to the previous month, we made $17,000 from revenue. So this is literally 4 times more than what Social Blade has estimated, over 4 times more than what they are estimating. And they are saying that we make $4,000 a month with 1 million views. So as you can see, they can't really estimate exactly how much a channel is making. When you are talking about finance, money and business, your money is higher. This channel is called Satoshi Stacker. The channel talks about crypto. By the way, this strategy works very well even if you are not expert or have ideas how crypto work. I don't even know anything about crypto when I started, but as time goes on, I was able to catch up. What I did was to outsource the entire video preparation process. I assured you that you can do it. You don't need to be an expert in this field because I literally run channels that are making thousands of dollars per week, where we talk about crypto and NFTs, and I have little idea what crypto was when I started. So you don't need to be an expert to run a faceless YouTube automation channel because you are not the one recording those videos. For example, Social Blade is estimating that this channel is making up to $2,500 a month, but as you saw there, as you can see, they are probably making 4 times more than this, which is around $10,000 from ad revenue just for showing ad on your videos. And they actually started around 2 years ago with their channel. They started from zero and they are already making $10,000 a month. But if you open up any of their video, for example the latest video on the channel, you see that the person is just recording their screen, so they are not showing their face. He's literally showing his screen while trading and talking about all sorts of different crypto coins. Here they talk about the latest news, and in all of this video he's not showing his face, yet making $10,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. Here is another channel that are doing the same thing, Daily Crypto. This is another faceless YouTube automation channel making approximately $5,000 a month just from ad revenue alone, and they started some years back. So in 1 year they went from $0 to $5,000 a month from ad revenue alone. And if you open up any of their video, you will see that they are faceless videos. He's just finding clip related to crypto news. He adds voiceover in the background, some stock footage, stock video, and he's making up to $1,000 a month just from ad revenue. And you'll be able to make a lot more using this strategy, which I'm sharing with you. Here is another channel that is making $10,000 a month from ad revenue, and this is another faceless YouTube automation channel. So if you open up one of their latest video, you can see they are not going to show their face. The creator of the channel is just going to talk about some crypto news, and he's going to record his screen and never going to show his face in this script. Yet the channel is, as you can see, making $10,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. So how do you actually run a channel like this and make $5,000 to $10,000 a month? Well, here is what you do. First thing first, you will need crypto news. And for that, you can just go to Google, type crypto, and you see many current news on crypto, and you can subscribe to some of these newsletters that are popping up, different news about crypto. And once you have the crypto news, and for example, you can open up one of these newsletters like cryptonews.com, and there you can find the latest crypto news, and then you can just make video on each of these news. For example, here is a video idea down below, so you can make a video on all of these different topics. You just open it and you have a full script for your video. Now the next thing you need is an actual screen recorder. And what a lot of people do, they open up news and they start reading their screen, just like I'm recording my screen right now. Go through the news and then give your thoughts. And a lot of people will choose to watch the video rather than reading a wrong, boring text. People want to see and hear someone's opinion, and they want someone to rate it for them. So you can be the person who does that without showing your face. Download some free screen recording app, install it on your system, on your phone, and record your screen as you talk without showing your face. To make more money, you can join an affiliate marketing platform on cryptocurrency websites like Coinbase, Binance, and other affiliate programs. Move to the bottom of the website to join an affiliate link and make money with affiliate program and brand deal. So go to their website, on About section, click on it. It will show you that you will be paid up to $1,000 per person that you refer to your affiliate link. So if your video is getting 1,000 views per video, let's say a couple of months you get 10,000 views, and 1,000 people were interested in investing in crypto, you can refer them to your link and make thousands of dollars. So even if you get 10 sign up from your affiliate link, this is $10,000 from affiliate earning. Comfortably, you can make money from affiliate marketing, brand deals, and ads revenue. For you to earn revenue from your faceless YouTube channel, your channel needs to be approved for YouTube partnership program, and that means that you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year. Subscribe to my channel